Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. Here in this video, I am going to discuss about the market fall and associated factors and parameters, how to perform your trading in a positive way and how to make money over this market. So let us discuss one by one. The market has a drastic fall around 2% both Sensex and Nifty on 5th of April. This is due to the COVID-19 rise of cases above 1 lakh. So the media report says that the COVID-19 cases spurred more than 1 lakh. So this 1 lakh is a huge warning signal. So market reacted in a negative way, and meaningless sell-off happened in the market. So because of the meaningless sell-off, market went down around 2%. So in this juncture, how to make our trading, how to perform better trading in the market. So this is the time where we can find penny stocks which will give huge return like 100 times, 1000 times in futures in few years, because most of the IT stocks like Infosys, TCS, Wipro uh, were at a price of just 10 rupees in those days, those 2 decades or more than 2 decades. Like that, we can also find some similar penny stocks. I mean to say that what is penny stocks? It is nothing but price ranging from 5 paise to 20 rupees. They are known as penny stocks. I used to pick up penny stocks always to make a huge money in the market in equity segment. So this is the right time. Whenever market makes a huge fall, this is the right time to select and pick up penny stocks for your future. So go and select, find out penny stocks. If at all you want to get penny stocks, you can subscribe to our Bull Street magazines. Otherwise, you yourself can do research. Then this is the right time to find high beta stocks which will make money in the market in trading, like scripts like ITC, Marico, and Britannia. Such kind of FMCG stocks will perform better way in this kind of fall in the market. And this is a time also you can trade it with high spec stocks. I mean to say that highly speculative stocks like Sriram Transport Finance and Bharti Airtel, Tata Steel, Tata Motors, and Just Dial, Jubilant Foods. Like a lot of scripts are there. Predominant scripts are there. These stocks will perform both in the positive and negative direction during whenever market falls. So try to trade with high spec stocks. And also you can find out some momentum stocks where the stocks shows immediate sudden spurt both in the price as well as in the trading volume. So trade such kind of stocks with the lesser duration. You can make able to make money in the this kind of negative or reaction oriented market. So this today's I mean to say that the 5th of April, the market is a reaction oriented market, not a negative market. It is a reaction oriented market. So you can make money over reaction oriented market by trading with momentum stocks. And with respect to Nifty, if you are considering Nifty on both sides, positive and negative sides, I am talking about Nifty spot. The Nifty spot closed on 5th of April at 14,637. Suppose that the market goes in the negative direction, I predicted some of the levels. These are the supporting levels like 14,540 one support level, and below that 14,330, and below that 14,002 is the lowest of lowest level. It is the strong support level where you can find bottom fishing stocks for bottom fishing. And suppose the market makes a bounce back, market goes in the positive direction, these are the predicted resistance levels. The next immediate level is 15002. So after crossing 15002, the market may go further high at 15240, and ultimate high is 15355. So these are the two extreme support and resistance levels with respect to the Nifty spot. So please give your support to this channel, watch the channel videos, and if you like this video, please give a like and forward this video to your fellow friends, and forward this video in your WhatsApp groups. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.